Hi everyone! In today's easy tutorial, I'm going to show you how to prompt natural scenes in Midjourney version 4. Welcome to the channel, let's dive into it. So on your Discord server, type down /imagine and hit enter. Let's start with our composition, which is going to be a landscape since we are making a natural scene. And then let's add some adjectives, and since we are in the winter season, I'm going to add some adjectives that resembles me the winter. And then I'm going to write down my object, which is going to be a forest, but feel free to use other elements from the nature such as canyons, rivers, oceans, mountains, seas, etc. And let's add one more adjective. Let's make this photorealistic. And finally, let's hit space once and type down --v and space once again and write down 4. We want this to be generated in Midjourney version 4. And finally, hit space once more and type down --a_n_r and hit space once again and write down 3/2. Since we are making a landscape, it's better to have a rectangular image rather than a square. So let's hit enter to generate and see what it's going to be look like. And here's our image. Feel free to use other elements of the nature to get different results and also play with those adjectives. That's basically how to prompt a natural scenery in Midjourney. If you found this video helpful, tap the like and subscribe buttons to help others to find this video as well. Thank you for watching.